For the last couple of months, I've been slowly working on building an off-grid lounge area in my backyard. I'm still on the fence about what this small space will ultimately turn into, but I figured it would be a good idea to record my journey and bring you along with me. So let's jump right into it, as there's a lot of work to do. Now, I must point out that I have never built a large or small structure like this before, so I'm literally having to learn as I go. However, I did find some building plans online that I will leave a link to in the description below that made this process easier. However, because of what I want to turn the shed into eventually, there is still a generous amount of topics I had to research that the building plans just didn't account for. So I say all this to point out a few things. One, I'm still learning, so I'm highly likely to make some mistakes during this process, but I never want that reason alone to be the primary reason why I decide not to pursue an idea. I've also learned that over the years that we usually talk ourselves out of a great opportunity to learn or gain new perspectives. So with that being said, unlike some of my other how-to themed videos, I won't be explaining my process in detail for every stage of the project, since building codes vary depending on your location, and since I'm still learning myself the do's and don'ts. Therefore, my main goal is to show you my process, but also hopefully encourage someone to no longer self-doubt. Just be sure to do your homework before getting started. Here in a moment, you'll experience a mistake for something I would normally cut out of the video, but I figured I would leave it just to show that making video content does not always go as smoothly as you want. I thought my video camera tripod was positioned securely, but I was completely wrong. My backyard is on a slope and I forgot to tighten down the tripod component, so this panning of the camera you see is not by someone else, but the weight of the camera component shifting to the right. So you'll see what happens here shortly. The funny thing is, I had no idea this happened until like 20 minutes later. Believe it or not, that tripod fall broke part of my camera setup, but I decided to keep moving forward. Thankfully, my wife was available to help manage the camera until my camera replacement parts arrived in the mail. So with each stage of the project, it's quite rewarding when you stand back and look at what you were able to accomplish, especially when you had so much doubt and concern beforehand, but decided to push forward and figure things out as you go. So this completes this stage of the project, but there will be more videos to come, so this will likely become a video series. Some videos I may film similar to this video, or depending on the topic, film similar to my other how-to videos. Also, if you have not already, be sure to click that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Anyway, until next time, thanks for watching.